Start at the top. 9-inch holder bars. Vans grips. Shadow bar ends. Top load profile push stem in polished. Got that trans green handlebars. Shadow stacker headset. Got the crow up there. We got Mankind Justice forks. Mandera hubs. G-Sport bird cage. Shadow little ones pegs with a sleeve. Got the hub guard, profile hub guard. Maxxis folding tires. I don't know what they're called. RZR. Moving on down, got the BTM trans green frame. Looking good. Alright, we got us a BSD slinger seat. Had that seat for a long time. BSD seat post. Coming on down, we got the Tree OG sprocket, nice and thick. Mandera Protocol cranks. Animal BPE pedals, best pedals ever. Hollow. Colt half-link chain, nice, polished. Moving on back, we got us a G-Sport roll cage. Mandera left-hand drive cassette with the drive side hub guard. Shadow peg with the sleeve. On this side, we got the stacker bottom bracket. Looking good. Top cap. Well, I think that's about it. Really nice bike. I like it the best out of all the ones I've ever had. Thank you for watching. Bye.